go to work, and this is Wednesday, 11th September, and this is my situation right now because no matter I have to reach at this place. So yeah, kind of like little bit struggling. I'm here, and now I have to go. So very challenging day. I don't know how I will reach. I will reach on time or no, I don't know, but I'm trying my best. So right now I'm on my last bus stop, but still I have to find out my next bus stop where I have to take the bus to reach to my destination. And it's going to be quite challenging because I have to reach on time, and also like it's heavy traffic, and then I have to wait for like little bit bus, and then I have to find my bus stop also, the right bus stop actually. And I have to do this like just in 1 hour everything. So let's see if I can make it or no. I will let you know soon. So I have to reach to that direction. Finally, I arrived to the right bus stop. Mistakenly, I reached to the opposite direction. Then I figured out it's wrong bus stop, like wrong direction, and I had to take from there to here. So yeah, I got wasted maybe 5 minutes from here to from there to here. Yeah, and now I have 45 minutes, and I'm still waiting for the bus. I have two options, but let's see which one I will take it, and then I will be on time or no. The time will tell. Yes, so bus is on time, I am on time. I have 45 minutes left, and let's see. Now only challenge will be only the traffic. So if traffic will be like slow, then still I can reach on time. But if it will be like very slow, then I can be late, and I have to decide very quickly to reach on time, something like somewhere in middle of the way. So let's see if I can achieve my challenge today or no in the morning. Here my bus is arriving. Let's go. Unfortunately, it was again a wrong bus, and now I have like 15 minutes left, but I'm not too far from my destination. Sometimes it happens, and actually I will tell you why it happens and why it's happening and why I'm still taking as a challenge and trying to achieve my destination as soon as possible. I will let you know soon. So now finally my last bus, and it will take like 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm kind of like 4 minutes late. It will be 4 minutes. I will be like 4 minutes late, which is okay right now. But it was very strange that conductor asked me for the money. He started speaking in English. He tried to know from which country I am, and then I don't know why he didn't hand over the ticket, but he gave me the ticket in this way, like by folding, and he put it here. I don't know why, what's the reason. Anyways, lot of interesting thing happened today's morning, and I'm happy that I'm going to reach on time. They didn't want me to give me the ticket. Actually, maybe he wants to save the money. So I took this ticket in my hand, but he took it back and then put it here again. Probably he wants to save this money for himself. It's okay, I don't mind it. So I am on time, I reach on time. Funny thing, I just like finished my meeting, and after that I was moving, and I found the same conductor again. And I think he will do the same thing again. He will take the money, but he will not give me the ticket. So funny sometimes. And he speaks little bit English. Finally, I am out from the bus, and yeah, whole flooding, big raining, and as I said, the conductor was again trying to not to give me the ticket, because of course he wants to take the money and doesn't want to give the ticket. So this is my first experience in Vietnam in my whole like journey or my staying here, and it was funny. And I also like to say like, don't give me ticket, it's okay, you can just keep it. So anyways, it was good day, it was very good morning. Lot of things happened until now, and now moving forward for my another things to do.